I was totally torn apart from life and just struggling all the time.
Alcohol, drugs, gambling, got in a lot of trouble.
I knew nothing about babies. I had never even held a baby before.
We hear the voices of need in our community. Thanks to you, United Way partners are a stepping stone away from crisis and onto a better life. Answering to the human needs around us is part of our history. No matter how big the disaster, no matter how great the need, when the floodwaters of desperation hit home, United Way is there. Do we survive tough times? The truth is, we do better, because United Way brings everyone together, united for those who need us. 2020 delivered a disaster with no playbook.
It is devastating to see our residents who are already in need struggle emotionally and economically.
They're not alone. During this COVID-19 pandemic, we're finding new ways to help the newly in need. They called 211 for help. 60,000 calls, more than double the record-setting number of calls during the 2019 floods. United Way partners answered the call, and volunteers stepped up community-wide.
We're serving almost 4 times as many people with a week's supply of groceries, all without any contact. So everyone's able to practice social distancing, and we're still able to meet the need of the community.
Food insecurity impacts more than 100,000 people. That's at least 1 in every 5 children. And now the need for food has skyrocketed.
The road to recovery for a lot of our friends and families in Omaha is going to be long. This is not over anytime soon.
COVID tripled our normally low jobless rate. As our local economy recovers, thousands of people are out of work for the first time in their lives, and some lost reliable childcare along with their jobs. United Way is here for the newly in need. Your help, whatever you can give, makes a difference. The pandemic has also created a housing crisis and a health crisis, which highlights long-standing disparities for those at greatest risk. United Way is working with community partners to reach the underserved, address injustice, and build a more inclusive community. Join the conversation with your coworkers and be a part of change.
Every single one of our kids has all of the skills and the strength necessary to succeed.
Did you know some of our young people could lose up to a year's worth of learning in this pandemic? You support United Way partners who work with students one-on-one so that doesn't happen.
We're not going to change the world unless we have young people held up and able to be successful.
When you support United Way, you do make a difference right here in our community. United Way is here, no matter how great the need. We hope you are too, because we do our best work together. Give today.